Class, our today's new topic is percentage, and this percentage comes from the word percent. And what is the meaning of percent, class? Percent is also coming from two words, per plus cent, and cent means 100 and per means, class, you all know, per 100 means for every 100. It means if you are talking about any number 25 out of 100, it means when you calculate your numbers out of 100, at that time you can demonstrate that or show that by the percentage. So if I am talking about 25 out of 100, suppose, class, you get 25 marks out of 100, then you can show that by the percentage. So 25 upon 100 means, class, 25 percentage. So your percentage is coming just because of this 100. It means for every 100 how much number is here, that is your percentage. So 25 out of 100 is 25%. If you get 30 marks out of 100, class, you get 30% marks. So class, you can see these all are fraction, 25 upon 100, 30 upon 100. If I am talking about 40 upon 100, then it means 40%. So these all are fraction and you can convert that in percentage. But class, in these fraction, it's very important your denominator is 100. But sometimes, class, you have this kind of fraction where your denominator is not 100. At that time, how you convert this fraction into percentage? So you all know, to convert any fraction into percentage, you need 100 in your denominator. So if I am asking you how you convert your denominator, this 10, which is your denominator, how you convert this into 100? You all know, by multiplying 10, you can convert this into 100. And you all know, if you multiply your denominator by 100, then you can multiply your numerator by the same number, 10. Then there is no difference in your fraction, because 10 upon 10 means, class, 1. So 10 upon 10 means 1. So it means there is no change at all in this fraction. So 40 upon 100 and 4 upon 10 both are same fraction. So if you simplify 40 upon 100, then you get 4 upon 10. So it means there is no difference when you multiply your numerator and denominator by the same number. So 40 upon 100 means, class, 40%. So 4 upon 10 means 40%. Same, if I am talking about 3 upon 25, if you want to convert that in percentage, so for that you have to convert your denominator in 100. So for that, multiply by 4. Here also multiplied by 4. So 3 4 ja 12, 25 4 ja 100. So meaning is 12%. So by this, class, you can change your any fraction in percentage. Now if I am talking about 5 upon 25, then convert your denominator into 100. By multiplying 4, you can convert your denominator in 100, and you multiply 4 by your numerator also. So 20 upon 100, the meaning is 20%. 35 upon 25 multiplied by 4, 35 4 ja 140 upon 100, so 140%. Now 17 upon 20, by multiplying 5 you will get 100 in denominator. So 17 5 ja 85, so 85%. And you can do this also, 46 upon 50, by multiplying 2 you will get 100 in your denominator. 46 2 ja 92, so 92%. Now class, question number 2 is shade the fraction. So class, they gave you here fraction 65 upon 100. It means, class, out of 100 you have to shade 65 square. So out of 100 square you have to shade 65 square. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and from here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If you shade these, then you can get this fraction 65 upon 100. In 45 upon 100, here you have to shade 45 small squares. So 10, 20, 30, 40 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to shade this. After that 20 upon 100, you know 20 small square should be shaded here. Here 100 upon 100, it means this whole should be shaded. And in question number 3 class, write the shaded portion of each circle as percentage by completing the blanks below. So class, this is 1 upon 4 and this is a fraction. So how you convert your fraction into percentage? I told you earlier, convert your denominator into 100. So how you convert your denominator 4 into 100? By multiplying 25. And if you multiply 25 in your denominator, then you should multiply your number with numerator also. So 25 upon 25, 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. So 25 upon 100 means 25 percentage. Here these two are shaded part, the meaning is 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 means class, you have to multiply 50 upon 50, the meaning is 50 upon 100, so meaning is 50%. Here class, you have 3 shaded part, so it's 3 upon 4. Out of 4, 3 parts are shaded. So 3 upon 4 means class, by multiplying 25, you will get 75 upon 100, the meaning is 75%. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts are here, and out of 5, 4 parts are shaded. So 4 upon 5. So 4 upon 5 convert into percentage, 80 upon 100, 80%. Now class, your case second is when a fraction does not have an equivalent fraction with the denominator 100. It means class, before this we explained you 4 upon 10, 3 upon 20. So in your denominator you can easily convert them into 100. But if I am talking about this kind of fraction where you are not able to convert this into 100, you are not able to convert this 8 into 100, at that time how you find your percentage? For that you just multiply your fraction by 100 and you will get your percentage. So 5 upon 8 into 100, the meaning is 500 upon 8, and you just put the percentage sign. So 500 upon 8 means class, you have to divide this first. So just write that in the mixed fraction. So you all know Q complete R upon D. So 62 complete 4 upon 8%, and 4 upon 8 means class 1 upon 2. So 62 complete 1 upon 2 percentage is your answer. In this question 7 upon 12 multiplied by 100. So you will get 700 upon 12 and you have to put the percentage sign. So solve this. So by solving 700 upon 12 we will get 58 complete 4 upon 12, and we can solve this. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So that is equal to 58 complete 1 upon 3 percentage, which is your answer. So now next question 3 complete 1 upon 12. This is a mixed fraction. So first you convert this into fraction. So 12 3 ja 36 plus 1, 37 upon 12. This is your fraction. So by multiplying 100 it means 3700 upon 12%. So solve this. So by solving this we will get 308, 4 as remainder and 12. So 308, 4 complete upon 12. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, 308 complete 1 upon 3 percentage.